Hi all, it's Kian here. Previous video I talked about continuous integration with Maven Jenkins. Achieving continuous integration for MuleSoft with Maven and Jenkins. I'm going to continue to talk about continuous deployment. So what we're going to talk about is continuous deployment to Cloud Hub. So to do that, first you must sign up for a trial account. So I'll just sign up. For the email, I'll use my student email. Your trial account is valid for for 1 month, so you don't have to worry about it. Username will just be Maven Test. Oh, it's available. Password will just be Maven Test 123. Okay. At least one uppercase. And this one uppercase. M Maven. One, two, three. Okay. It's Maven Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. What? Okay. Create an account. It's creating an account for me. So once you have an account, go to production. VPC application. Production. Go back. So you need to set your application name to Maven Test. Put your initial so that you just put Maven Test here. Maven Test. Application name is available. Okay, just put your initial here. Okay. And then choose 0.1. Hold on to this, restart. Choose your file. Go into your source code. Maven Test. This is the snapshot that was built. Deploy your application. So this is the manual way to deploy your application. So now you have successfully deployed your application. Browse to your app URL. supposed to put slash. Just slash. Let's launch Postman. Oops. Send. Yep, you get a response. Hello, Kian. So this shows that your application is actually running in Cloud Hub. This is the manual way to deploy it. I'll show you the automated way via Jenkins. Hi, to enable continuous deployment, what you need to do is you need to go back to the Maven project that was created from the continuous integration video previously, and change the artifact ID to the same name that you have put in. For instance, here artifact ID should be maven-test-kianting. Same, go back to your maven-test-kianting. It needs to be the same. So once this is done, then you need to add a plugin, a Maven Mule plugin. Maven test, yeah, just leave this as this. Maven test Kianting application. Okay, and then go to add a plugin. So this is the plugin section. You can add it at the very bottom. And you add in an org mule.tools.maven. I'll just enlarge this screen so it's easy for you to see. Let's format this code. So this is a plugin that will allow you to do the deployment, automated deployment. Obviously you would want to not set your code into the POM file. So you would have a property name. No, the username is Maven test, but that's, I mean, practically you would not set your username password here, but this is just for demo purpose. I'll just do that straight from. That's the account that we have created. Save this. And you see that it will start downloading the Mule plugin. Yep, build success. Everything is good. So now you have the Mule plugin for Maven. Next we'll move on to Jenkins. So from again from the previous continuous integration video, right, that I've recorded, we have actually set up a Jenkins job to build. What we're going to do now is we're going to pre-configure it. So you go down to this. So this is our Maven configuration. Previously we did a clean package, right? So what we're going to do now, because we already have that plugin, we're going to do a Mule deploy, and it's that simple. It's that simple. Just Mule :deploy, click apply. So now that's safe, but you can't run the Jenkins won't run yet, because remember previously we modified the POM file. We need to check that in before we could commit it. So to check it in, let's go back to our project. We modified this file, but we still need to check it into GitHub. So get the file folder location. This is where it is. Launch a command prompt. Preferably you run it as administrator. Okay. So git status. Okay. Git add -a, add everything. Git commit and continue newest deployment configuration in POM. Right, so I'm checking this in. Okay, git push origin master. So once this is checked in, what will happen now is refresh this. See, this is my latest check-in. What will happen to Jenkins now is this will run. So it polls the GitHub every 2 minutes. Once it sees that there are changes, it will start to run. And when Jenkins runs, right, this schedule will blink. You could also trigger a manual run, but yeah, it's building. Go to the console output. See, it's running. This time, it won't just build it for you, it will deploy into Cloud Hub. And there is when it is triggering a deploy into Cloud Hub, you just notice that that is deployed, has logged in and deployed. So if you go to Anypoint Studio, right, you refresh it, it's going to show you updating. See, that means it's being deployed. That means Jenkins has actually triggered a deployment for you. This is an exciting time to be in IT. Yeah, continuous deployment. Wait for the update to finish. Still running. After the so what you're expected to see here is that you will see the final status will be started. Currently still updating. Still waiting. You could get my source code from the GitHub. Yeah, and because I've shown you the link to the GitHub and it's public anyway. Maven test GitHub, and you could have a look at the POM XML or what I've added. So you see, even if the application is be updating, right, and it's never down. See what I mean? It's never down. Yeah, it started now. Look at the logs. Deployment. Your application started successfully. Previously, it was deployed this morning on local threads. This is your application log. So it first started at 11. No, it has started. Yeah. So that's all good. That's continuous deployment. So I'm going to show you something. So let's say we change our code to set payload. Hello Kian. Continuous deployment. Done. Some asterisks. So I need to remember to have this pass. You need to modify the assert as well, so that your assert passes. Right. Save this. Save. Then just a sanity check. Just run it to see if it's successful. Yep. Yep, it's successful. Let's stop it. So this new modification, we're going to check in. A few files to check in. Modified payload. So I'm going to comment this. I'm going to git push origin master. So now this is pushed into GitHub, right? So you go to GitHub, refresh this. You see my modified payload? So what we're going to do is, we're going to go back to Jenkins. Wait for this guy to run. It's polling every 2 minutes. Just click enable auto refresh so that I know when it's running. For 2 minutes. So if you observe, the payload now before modification is still hello keen, right? Okay. It's running now. So if we go in and have a look at the console, it's running. Maven test pass. It's going for the deployment. Deploying. See, it's deploying to the endpoint. Deploying to Cloud Hub. Successfully deployed to Cloud Hub. Now look at the live console. This is what's happening. So while it is deploying, you see that the status is updating. Even when the status is updating, it's never down. It still give me the old payload. It's going through the deployment. So to wait. So what we essentially waiting for is for the application to start. So Jenkins has actually done his job to get the latest build and deploy into Cloud Hub. So just waiting for Cloud Hub to finish. So this is like application is successfully started. Still updating. So now let's do that again. See? What changes is here. It's in Cloud Hub. And that is continuous integration and continuous deployment using for MuleSoft using Maven Jenkins. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. I'll get back to you.